Okay, so this is the coin mechanism that you can program this to what you want as such. So this is how I figured it out. I use 3 coins. I use a 50p, I use a £1, and I use a £2 coin. Basically, what you tell this machine to do, how many pings or how many credit each coin gives the machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell the machine 50p is 1 credit, £1 is 2 credits, and a £2 is 4 credits. So it's doubling up in size because of the amount of money. Now, to tell the machine and program it, what you need to do, there's 2 buttons either side of this display. You hold them and you get the A. You press the enter button at the top, and then you get the E, so then you press the plus button, and it's asking how many coins you want to program. So you can program pretty much anything you want. At this point, you can program tokens, you can program euros, you can program anything you want. But all I'm doing is them 3 coins, so I'm asking it for 3. Enter. H1. So you press enter. This is your first coin. What it's asking at that point, I want you to put the coin in 15 times. So that's 15 samples of the coin, so I can understand what the coin is. So basically, you're just putting the coin in 15 times through the machine, just so it can test that coin 15 times. Press enter. P1. This is how many pings. So like I said, I want my first coin to have 1 ping, I want that to have 2 pings, and I want that to have 4 pings. So my first coin is already at 1 ping, so we'll enter that. This is how sensitive you want the coin. So you've got 1 to 15 here. It's always good to have it somewhere in the middle, so we just keep it at 7. Press enter. Coin 2, which is the £1 coin. Again, we're going to keep it at the 15 samples. We're going to give it 2 pings. Enter. And again, sensitivity, just the same. Enter. Third coin, which is the £2 coin, is what we're going to put. 15 samples of the coin. Enter. Pings, we want this at 4. Enter. And sensitivity, again, we want at 7. So once it goes back to 0, that is ready. It is programmed 10 coins. What we need to do now is give it the samples. So if we press enter again, or hold enter, it goes to A1. So it's asking now for the first coin, which is the 50p. So this is going to be fun. So if I put that in, what we'll see is a number 1 on the display. So we've got to do that 15 times. We've got to do that 15 times so to program the machine, and we've got to do that with every coin. I will show that restart the video when I get to the end of the £2 coin.